Hello my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching English class. In this particular channel, you will get CBSC, ICSC and WBB SE solutions of all subjects. Students, we are going to learn how to solve these sums in this particular class. Before solving all these sums, I will give you some concept. By using that concept, very easily you can solve the sums. As you can see, here we have additive property. So first property is additive property because in the middle we have addition here. So let us see the property. So minus plus minus will give you sum will be plus. For example, if I take minus 5 plus minus 2, as you can see my dear students, here we have minus, next we have a plus, next we have minus. So this is the property which I have followed here. So the sum will be plus. That means we need to add the numbers here. So 5 and 2 will give you 7, that is 5 plus 2 7. Now sign will be of the bigger number. So here bigger number is 5. So before 5 as we have negative, so it will be negative 7. So our answer is minus 7. Similarly, let us understand the second property, that is plus 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 will give you plus. So let us take a number, that is plus 2 plus 5. Okay, I am taking 2 and 5 for your understanding only. So as you can see, we have 5 and 2 here. So here if you see the sign, we have plus, again we have plus, again we have plus. So you will do addition. So 5 plus 2 will be 7. And which sign you need to give? Sign of the bigger number. So here bigger number is 5. So here it will be plus 7 here. So my dear students, you must also know that if I write like this, that is plus 2 plus 5, this can be written as 2 plus 5. Why it can be written as 2 plus 5? Because if we give here plus 2, it is plus 2. But if we don't give any sign before 2, that means by default it is positive number. Similarly, if we give here plus 5, that means it is positive number. But if we don't give any sign before 5, that also means that it is a positive 5. Next property is minus plus plus. So let us see this. So we have minus 2 and we have plus 5. You can write only 5 also. Okay, now you see. So here the sum will be negative. So 5 minus 2, you will get what? You will get 3. And the sign of the bigger one is plus here. So your answer will be plus 3 here. Is it clear? Next property, we have plus 2 plus and we have a minus 5. So here if we want to follow, we are going to follow this property. So what will be the case here? Here the sum will be negative. So if we get a negative, then we will get 5 minus 2, that is 3. And always the sign will be the of the bigger number. Here bigger number is 5, so it is minus 3. Okay students, do you want to mug up all these things, means learn all these formulas? No need. Listen to me, what you will just learn. If the sign is same, as you can see here plus plus and here minus minus, that means sum will be positive. When the sign are different, that is here minus plus and here plus minus, then the sum will be negative. Okay, and sign will be always of the bigger number. Okay, so this is the conclusion. You will just remember this and solve all the sums very easily. You need not to mug up or learn all these things separately. Let us see the second property or the last property to solve this particular sums. So here if we have multiplication in between two signs, then it is a multiplication property. And in multiplication properties, the calculation will be always multiplication. And here we need to remember the sign. First let us see how this is working. And after that I will give you a conclusion of this formula or properties. As you can see, first one we have, if we take minus 2 into minus 5, then the sign will be positive. That means minus into minus will give you positive. So we have written positive, and 5 into 2 will be 10. So our answer is plus 10. Next one, if we see the next property, that is plus 2 into plus 5 here. So plus 2 into plus 5, as you can see, plus into plus will give you a positive sign. So here the sign will be positive and calculation will be 2 into 5, that is 10. So here also we are getting plus 10. Next one, as you can see, minus into plus will give you a negative sign. So here minus 2 into plus 5. So here the sign will be negative and answer will be 5 into 2, that is 10. So this is the answer. Next one, or the last property, plus into minus will give you minus. So if we take plus 2 into minus 5, okay, then calculation 5 into 2 you will get 10, but here we have plus and here we have minus, so the sign will be negative, so answer will be minus 10. Now students, how you are going to remember this property of multiplication? You will remember like this: whenever you will get two negative signs or two positive signs, or the sign will be same, okay, in the question, then in the answer also sign will be positive always, okay. If the sign is same in the question, then the answer sign will be positive. Next one, if the sign of the question are different, one is plus, another is minus, then in sign you will get a negative sign. So this is the ultimate thing which you need to solve all the sums. So my dear students, are you ready for the next class? I think you all are very excited. So let's start with sum number 1. As you can see students, as I have said you, that first number you need to write with the sign like this. So we have written number, that is minus 7 first. Next we have minus 8, write it accordingly. And as you can see, we have this one. Observe the number. I have already said you, whenever you will get minus, then you will get a bracket, and within the bracket you are having 25, minus 25. As this one is minus, this one is minus, and we have a bracket, that means in between this two minus we have a multiplication sign. So whenever you will find the sign inside and outside the bracket are same, as in this case both are negative, so it will be changing into positive. So here minus and minus both are negative, so here it will be positive, and you will write 25 as it is. So whenever you will see like this, the number is given, you will write this sign by changing it into positive sign. So here you can write this one as minus 8 plus 25. Now we will apply the additive property. How you are going to apply the additive property? As you can see, we have two minus or the same sign. You know, in additive property, if the sign are same, then you need to add the numbers. So 7 plus 8, you will get 15 here, but sign will be always before the bigger number. Which sign is there, that particular sign you are going to write here. So before 8 we have a negative sign, so we will write here negative 15. Next we have plus 25, we will write as it is. In the next step, we will apply again the additive property. As you can see, the sign are different, one is negative, another is positive, so you need to find out the difference. So difference, how you are going to find out? Bigger number minus the smaller number. So 25 minus 15, you will get 10. So you will write here 10, and the sign you will give before 10, that will be the sign of the bigger number. This one is positive before 25, before 15 we have negative. Here bigger number is 25, as before 25 we have a positive, so it will be plus 10, or you can write 10. So here your answer is 10. Let us move on to the next one. So as you can see, as I have written first number, you will write with the sign as it is. So minus 13 plus 32 we will write it minus 8 minus 1. Now you will do the calculation. First you will find the numbers which has a same sign before those. As you can see, minus 13, minus 8, minus 1, all the sign are same, so you are going to add all the numbers. So 13 plus 1 you will get 14, 14 plus 8 you will just add like this, 14 plus 8 you will get 22. Okay, so you are getting here 22. Write here 22 and give the sign of the bigger number, that is 13 here, so minus 13. We haven't calculated plus 32 yet, so you will write here plus 32. Okay, now you will do the calculation again. You will apply the additive property. So here 32 minus 22. So 32 minus 22, what you are getting? You are getting 10. So you will write here 10 and you will give the sign of the bigger number here 32. So your answer is 10 here also. So answer is 10. Next, as you can see, this sum is given. First write minus 7 as it is. As you can see, we have plus outside and within the bracket we have minus 8. Whenever you will find that this sign and the sign outside the bracket are different, when they are different, it will be changing into a negative. So it will be negative 8 here. So write here negative 8. Similarly, as the sign outside the bracket and inside are different, so here you will write minus 90. Now you will do the calculation. As you can see, all the numbers are negative, so you just add. As all the numbers has similar sign before them, so you need to add. So add these numbers, 90 plus 8 plus 7. You will get 90 plus 8 is 98. 98 plus 7 is 105. And before that you need to give the sign of the bigger number. Here bigger number is 90. So here we have negative. So here also you will write negative. So our final answer is 105. Now let us move on to the last one. So you will write 50 with the sign, as we don't have any sign before 50, so it is positive. As you can see, this number, as within the bracket and outside the bracket same sign is there, so it will be changing into positive and it will be 40. Again, outside the bracket and within the bracket same sign is there, so it will be changing into positive and you are going to write 2 here. Now as you can see, all are positive, so all the sign are same. You add all the numbers. 50 plus 40 is 90. 90 plus 2, you are getting here 92, and you will give the sign of the bigger number. Here bigger number is 50. Before 50 we don't have anything, that means it is positive. So here you can write positive 92, or you will write your answer as 92. Sums are clear to you. If you find the content of this video helpful, then like, share, subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get regular update from this particular channel. If you want to directly contact with our expert faculties for tuitions or any other communication, you can join our Telegram channel and also connect us with joining the Facebook page. With this we come to the end of this particular video. Stay safe, enjoy your studies and learn with fun. Bye bye everyone.